Hi, I'm Mike from the Zilka Center for the Environment. Thanks for your interest in helping to stop the thud with Bird Safe Watch.
Hi, I'm Scott from Planning, Design, and Construction, and what we're going to do today is walk you through the process to help identify and gather data for us to make our buildings increasingly safer for birds.
Monitoring happens in the fall and in the spring, and then in this video we're going to show you what proper bird collision monitoring looks like.
The primary data collection tool we are using is ArcGIS Survey 123. Stop the Thud volunteers can find a link to this form through the monitoring sign-up sheet, provided stickers, and in an email. For volunteers with Williams College email addresses, it's recommended that you download Survey 123 from the App Store and sign in with your Unix. For those of you who are not Stop the Thud volunteers, you can find the link to the survey on the Bird Collision Monitoring webpage under the Sustainability section on Williams College's webpage. Additionally, QR codes will be posted around campus to allow you to access the survey directly.
Hi, my name is Hannah Kuhn. I am the Bird Collision Prevention Intern for the Zilka Center for the Environment, and today I'm going to show you what a collision monitoring might look like. So when you're monitoring for collisions, you want to stick close to the perimeter of the building so you can see any birds that have dropped down. Most buildings have a drip line like this that you can just follow. What you want to do is just walk slowly, controlled, keep your eyes on the ground to look for birds. You can look anywhere from right below a window to about 10 feet away. So just keep your eyes scanning back and forth. For most buildings, it should only take 5 to 15 minutes to go around the whole perimeter, like so. And then when you've spotted a bird, you can approach it, but don't touch it, don't move it. What you're going to want to do is take multiple photos of the bird as it appears on the ground. So you can take out your phone and take multiple angles. The survey that we're currently using can accept up to 3 photos of the bird. And then the last thing you want to do is take a photo of the surrounding environment and the suspected window that the bird hit. When you're doing that, just be mindful of any people that might appear in the photo. So like so. And then when you're ready, you can pull up the data collection tool.
Now I'm going to walk you through the survey step by step. The survey will first ask you for your name and email. Then answer which role best describes you. Next, fill out the date and time. Then select the evidence of collision. This will usually be an intact carcass. For species, if you're unsure, please write unknown. Then you can upload your photos that you took or take photos directly in the survey itself and upload to the correct fields. Next, type the name of the building where the bird was found. If you are unsure, please write unknown. Finally, allow Survey 123 to access your device's location to get the coordinates of the collision. Be mindful that Survey 123 autofills both the time and GPS location fields. This is fine if you are doing the survey right when you find the bird. But if you are filling out the form later, please change the time and location manually to when and where you first saw the bird. For Stop the Thud volunteers, be sure to log your shift in the Google form shared with you through the sign-up sheet.
Thanks so much for volunteering.
Stay tuned for updates.
Stop the thud!